Like we keep repeating often, the Indian car market is one that has most of its active happening in the lower segment. In mind, we have selected the top 5 budget cars in India under 4 lakhs in both new and used markets. So let's begin. Renault Kwid 2.92 lakhs. The Renault Kwid was launched more than 4 years ago but has managed to leave a lasting impression on the car buyers. It impresses with its mini SUV look and offers a high ground clearance that gives it a very bold stance. It is available with both 0.8 litre and 1 litre engine options, with the latter even providing an optional AMT. Its price starts with 2.92 lakhs and goes up to 4.80 lakhs. It comes with touchscreen, AC, heater, adjustable seats, LED DRL, power steering and 280-litre boot space. The main part is its look, which can attract anyone. The only problem, height, which is only 4.10 feet. Guys, if you will ask me my favorite one, I will say Quid, as I definitely a big fan of it. Many people believe it is noisy and harsh while riding, but Renault has overcome this issue. Maruti Suzuki Alto 800 2.94 lakhs. Maruti Alto 800 is the entry-level model in the model lineup of the country's biggest car maker, and it impresses with its low maintenance cost, frugal yet puppy engine, decent ride and easy availability of spares. The Alto has also been on sale long enough to be easily available in the used car market of any part of the country. This car is highly reliable and can provide you with many years of happy motoring. It's been more than 18 years of Alto. It comes with 799cc engine with a mileage of only 14 km per litre. Alto K10 3.43 lakhs. Next in the line is the highly popular Maruti Suzuki Alto K10, which is nothing but a more powerful version of Alto 800. It is equipped with 1 litre engine. It is the top and new version of Alto. Now company has discontinued this model, but you can purchase it from your nearest Maruti Suzuki showroom. Datsun Radigo, the DAT 2.83 lakhs. The Datsun Radigo is based on Renault Kwid and share its engine and the platform with the French sibling. It's ultra affordable and offers a roomy cabin. Like the Kwid, it also provides you with an optional AMT. Maintenance is cheap and the crossover styling along with its high ground clearance is a pretty big plus point. New model is launched on 28th May that includes LED DRL touch screen, power steering and more space. The size of Radigo is very small, which makes it uncomfortable for 5 people. Maruti Suzuki Espresso 3.69 lakhs. The last car here is Maruti Suzuki Espresso, the latest budget and hatchback from the country's largest selling car maker Maruti. The Espresso takes on the likes of Renault Kwid and Datsun Radigo and come with the same 1 litre engine as the Alto K10. It's even on sale with both 5-speed manual and automatic gearbox options. Another highlight is 180 ground clearance. It is the perfect rival of Renault Kwid. It also has dual airbags, but Maruti has failed to give him a stylish SUV look. The square shape from all the sides without chrome grille in front shaped him just like an ugly box. It has limited knee and headroom. Its height is only 4.8 feet, which makes it uncomfortable for tall people. So guys, this was all for today. Hope you liked our video, and please subscribe us for more interesting videos and comment your favorite one below. Thanks for watching.